Hello there. Welcome to Life Hacks Daily. This is where you'll find simple but super useful tips for everyday life. If you enjoy this video, please hit like. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to support the channel. Now, let's get started with 5 easy tips to make your glass windows shine like new. White medium star tip 1. White vinegar plus warm water. Quick, cheap, and non-toxic. Mix white vinegar with warm water in a 1-to-1 ratio, pour it into a spray bottle, and spray evenly onto the glass surface. Wait about 10 to 15 seconds for the stains to soften. Then wipe in circular motions with a microfiber cloth and finish with vertical strokes. The glass becomes shiny, smells fresh, and stays streak-free. White medium star tip 2, old newspaper, the ultimate polishing trick. After cleaning the glass with your solution, take an old newspaper, crumble it lightly, and wipe the entire surface again. The paper texture helps polish the glass and reduces dust buildup. A super cheap trick with surprisingly good results. White medium star tip 3, diluted dish soap, great for stubborn grease. If your glass has grease or kitchen steam buildup, mix 1 to 2 drops of dish soap with half a basin of warm water. Dip a cloth or sponge into the mixture and wipe horizontally. The foam lifts away the grease, making the glass clear again in just a few minutes. White medium star tip 4, baking soda, removes tough stains. Mix baking soda with a little water to create a thick paste. Apply it to old, stubborn stains and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Wipe it off with a damp cloth. The tough marks disappear without needing harsh chemicals. White medium star tip 5, clean at the right time, avoid direct sunlight. Clean your windows in the early morning or late afternoon. If you clean when it's too sunny, the cleaning solution evaporates quickly and leaves streaks. Just choosing a cooler time of day makes a huge difference. Party popper and a video. With just a few simple tricks, your windows will shine like new. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. See you in the next one.